Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm a little vintage. It's a long time no see you guys, so how's it going guys? I hope that you safe and sound in this coronavirus pandemic. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to make a nice wave net top step by step from a leftover piece of fabric. I will show you guys. Here we are. This is my leftover piece of fabric with the red color, a beautiful color suitable for the upcoming Christmas season, right? But it's just a small piece of fabric with a weird shape. I will show you how it's weird. You see? It's so weird. But I really love this fabric because it's so soft and light. I will show you it closer. You see? Can you feel it? Okay, and so now don't let you wait any longer. Then let's get started. But after my little intro video. The first thing that I'm going to do is take my measurements, but I'm so sorry that I forgot to record it. So as you can see, I took my measurements on the screen. I need wrapping paper for drawing my measurements on, a straight ruler and paper scissors, then make the body's pattern. Honestly, I didn't learn to sew professionally. I sew clothes from my experience in a way I think is suitable for me. So it may not be very accurate, but I think the importance of sewing is it suits you and you feel good about it. So be creative and do it your way. I think so. How about you? What do you think about it? Let me know your thinking by a comment on this video. Next, I place the fabric on a flat surface. If you have a large table, let's spread it on the table to make it easier to do. If not, you can spread it out on the floor like me. Remember to fold the fabric in half. A small tip to straighten it is aligning along this ceramic type line. Then I put a pattern on the fabric and cut it out. Remember to leave the seam allowance about 1 centimeter. Then I continue to make some pieces of my top like this. Then I draw and cut two long rectangular pieces of fabric like this to make straps. You can make it shorter or longer depending on how to plunge you want it to be. And it's done. The fabric is a little iridescent, which makes it fancier. It's so nice. Here are some parts at the top. And now it's time for sewing. Now I sew along the chart line I drew earlier. Then I drag on to see what it looks like. Next, sew the body of the top. Place panels right side to the right side and sew the edges together with a straight stitch. Do it on both sides. Then do the same thing with the lining. The top is inside out, but now you need to flip it right side out. Insert the top into the lining and insert the straps on the back and pin it. Then sew it together. Then cut the fabric at the edges like me. Be careful don't cut your stitching. It helps your sewing smoothly when you flip it right side out. Make a top stitch as close to the seam line as possible and make sure that the seam allowance is on the same side. Then drag on again to determine how long the straps. I will overlock the raw edges to prevent them from frying. Now I turn my top inside out and cover the raw edges. Then hem the bottom of the top.
Christmas tree, oh Christmas tree, thy leaves are so unchanging. Not only green when summer's here, but also when 'tis cold and drear. Oh Christmas tree, thy leaves are so unchanging.
I pin the straps to the front bodies and pin the lining to the top to prevent it from moving.
Oh Christmas tree, much pleasure thou canst give me. How often has the Christmas tree afforded me the greatest glee? Oh Christmas tree, much pleasure thou canst give me.
Then I sew it together.
Christmas tree, oh Christmas tree, thy candle shines so brightly. Oh Christmas tree, thy candle shines so brightly. From base to summit, gay and bright, there's only splendor for the sight.
I take one name tag, a little vintage. That's my name shop, but my shop is no longer in business.
Oh Christmas tree, how richly God has decked thee. Oh Christmas tree,
I sew it on the top of the shirt, on the inside.
God has decked thee. Thou bidst us true and faithful be, and trust in God unchangingly. Oh Christmas tree, how richly God has decked thee.
I finished. So now let's take a look at our result. A nice top with long strap will have the effect of making you look taller and thinner. You can tie the strap however you like for a varied styling. You can also easily mix and match many items together to create more beautiful outfits. Okay, that's my top. I hope you enjoyed today's video and it will inspire you to create something from your leftover piece of fabric. Thanks for watching.